Welcome back to our draw tutorial for kids.
How to draw Hello Kitty cat, easy tutorial for kids. First, let's draw Hello Kitty's iconic bow. Start on the top left side of your paper. Draw a small circle for the center of the bow. Then, add 2 big loops on each side for the bow's ends. Fill in some details to make it look pretty. Next, let's add her ears. Above the bow, draw 2 pointy triangle shapes on each side of the head. These are Hello Kitty's cute cat ears. Now, it's time for her face. Draw a large, almost circle shape around the bow and ears, but with a slightly flat bottom. This is the outline of Hello Kitty's face. Let's add her whiskers. Draw 3 straight lines coming out from each side of her face. They should be nice and long, showing off her kitty whiskers. For her mouth, draw a simple, small curve just below the center of the face. Then, add a tiny oval above it for her nose. Hello Kitty needs to see, so let's give her eyes. Draw 2 oval shapes above the mouth, on each side of the nose. Fill them in but leave a little white spot for a sparkle in her eyes. Now, draw her arms. Just below her face, draw 2 small oval shapes on each side, for her hands. Then, add little lines for her fingers. Next is her body. Draw a simple dress shape starting from under her arms. It should be a wide, U shape that connects on both sides. Finally, let's complete our drawing. You can add details to her dress, like a little pocket or buttons. And don't forget to color her in with your favorite colors. Hello Kitty loves pink and red for her bow. And there you have it, a cute drawing of Hello Kitty. Great job, everyone! Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep drawing and having fun. Don't forget to share your artwork with us in the comments below.